Imagine this. It's 1 a.m., your phone buzzes. Yo, easy lick tonight. In and out. 2 okay split 5 ways. You in or you scared? One text, one decision. Your entire future hangs on how you reply. Tonight we're opening the oldest, rawest, most brutally honest book of street wisdom ever written, Proverbs Chapter 1, and it starts with one question. Are you smart enough to walk away? Real talk. Proverbs 1 is basically a 3,000-year-old dad sitting you down before you make the worst mistake of your life. And today I'm going to read it to you like he's talking straight to you in 2025. If this video stops even one of you from taking the bait tonight, it did its job. Let's go. The whole point of this book, to teach you wisdom and discipline, to help you understand words that actually mean something, so you can live smart, do what's right, and not be a complete moron when life gets hard. First lesson, verse 7, tattoo this on your arm. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge, but fools despise wisdom and instruction. Translation. If you think you're God, you're already cooked. Bro, this guy's got bands just sitting in his crib. We hit it quick, we eat for months. Nobody gets hurt bad, just a little scare. Verse 11 through 14 is literally describing that scene word for word 3,000 years ago. Come with us. Let's ambush some innocent dude, we'll split the bag. All of us rich. And then verse 18 drops the coldest line in the whole Bible. These men lie in wait for their OWN blood. They ambush their OWN lives. Let that sink in. The robbery isn't the crime that kills them. The greed is. They're setting the trap for themselves. Comment 1 to 10 how many times you've almost taken the bait on something like this. A scam. A hustle, a quick flip, one little lie, cheating on a test, sliding in the DMS. You shouldn't. Be honest. I'll wait. Now, here's where it gets wild. Wisdom isn't some quiet librarian. The Bible straight up personifies her as a woman screaming in the streets. Verse 20, wisdom shouts in the streets. She cries out in the public square. She's at the club entrance. In your group chat, in your For You page, yelling, how long are you simple-minded people gonna love being stupid? Turn around. I've got life for you, real life. But most people just scroll past, and when the consequences finally pull up, guns blazing. Verse 28, then they will call me, but I will not answer. They will look for me, but they won't find me. That's terrifying. But here's the flip side, the part that actually gives me hope. Verse 33, the very last line. Whoever listens to me will live in safety and be at ease, without fear of harm. Not rich, not famous, SAFE, and at peace. In 2025, that's rarer than a Lambo. So tonight, when the text comes, when the opportunity that feels too good to be true pops up, when everybody's yelling YOLO, remember Proverbs 1 just spoke to you 3,000 years across time and said, don't do it, walk away. Choose life. If you needed this today, drop a fire emoji in the comments. And if you've got somebody who needs to hear this before they make a permanent mistake, send them this video right now. Don't wait. Subscribe if you're choosing wisdom this year. Next video we're hitting Proverbs 4, the chapter about guarding your heart. It's even crazier. See you there, and hey, make the right choice tonight.